So we start off today's video with this major hair transformation. Oh, I love her hair color. Wow, look at that gorgeous shaggy pixie bob. Oh, this is so breathtaking. The color combination is absolutely superb. The burgundy reddish brown with the yellow. Amazing. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we'll be taking a look at a variety of hair transformations. So here we move into a bob haircut change. Nice, simple, chic, blunt bob. Beautiful bangs in the front. And then we see someone with this really pretty pink hair. She does have some dark dip dyed ends. Very unique color combination. So we have another haircut change here. Beautiful baby mullet style. Wow, look at those bangs. And then we have someone with very long waist length hair. Oh, actually more like tailbone length. And she decided to cut it all into this blunt bob haircut. And then we see someone else with colored hair. Oh, and she decides to switch things up with this purple color. Wow, look at that. It's like a nice mix of purple, blue, violet. Oh, that is absolutely breathtaking. Very pretty. And then we have someone in for a color refresh into this gorgeous copper shade. I love how volumized her hair looks. She does have the curtain bangs as well. And then we have someone trying out the mixie haircut trend. And this is pretty much like a baby mullet trend as well. I think I do have a full video showcasing and explaining further details about what a mixie is. Oh, very nice. Love it. And she did like a flipped out look in the back. Very pretty. So it looks like we have someone going lighter. Oh, she went icy. Very pretty. And she also kind of has like the mixie going on with the hair cutting as well. Just a different silhouette and variation of it. Very nicely done. So then we have someone with mid-length hair. She decided to cut the hair into a fresh shoulder length bob. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all the hairstyles featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.